Hey guys, so here's one of the PLTR algo call. Currently, my algo is holding its position, its original position, bought on November 6th. It bought it currently right now it's at 47% gain, and it bought it at $12. The last time I actually issued a bull signal was November 17th. I'm still holding. Right now it's using the Harami pattern to actually indicate bearish signals, which I'm like 90% sure that the Harami pattern is a great pattern for indicating bearish signals. But again, the Harami pattern indicates a bearish signal, and then it only drops for maybe like 2 or 3 or 4 days afterwards. So this isn't long term. If we ever see a bullish bearish signal here, this doesn't mean sell everything, right? It indicates maybe a small dip, especially with the momentum that PLTR has right now. Gave a bullish signal back in November 15th, November 13th, and the most previous one was the 17th. Currently right now, I wouldn't purchase anything. On the range that it is right now, let me see if I can zoom in here a little bit. On the range close, it is at $18. So I do have a 10K position on this. Would I buy it more? I would, because PLTR is a long-term hold for me. For those of you that are looking to swing or option trade, I'd probably hold off to maybe a retest, maybe like the $15 level if it ever retests. So the momentum here again is super huge. I wouldn't recommend shorting this right now. If anything, I would just leave it for long term and just kind of hold it for a while, but yeah, this is basically it. So far PLTR looking super bullish. If you guys are looking to swing or options, I'd recommend maybe a retest for a little bit lower price. But if you're looking for long term, buy at any price and just kind of hold for years to come.